If you're a marketing agency, you're probably already on LinkedIn, but you're not getting the results you want. Otherwise, why are you watching this video? If you're so good at LinkedIn, go enjoy your LinkedIn riches, all right? I wanna show you how to book meetings for real estate on LinkedIn as a marketing agency. You wanna sell your marketing stuff to real estate agents? This is the video for you. Stick around. If you don't know me, I am the Cold Email King, the author of Cold Email Manifesto, and the host of LinkedIn X, which is a course about how me and my co-founder made over $300,000 on LinkedIn. And in today's video, I wanna just share with you one of these outreach scripts that we've used. We could charge for this, but we're giving it to you for free. And all I ask in exchange is a little like-a-reno, go down there, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and we can continue with this conversation, huh? You got it. I know you liked it. I know you liked the video. Okay, let's continue on. When you have to generate meetings fast on LinkedIn, the easiest way to do it is to look through your current connections that might be qualified and reach out to those. These are the scripts that you're about to see. We reached out to people that were in the real estate business that we wanted to connect with, that we were already connected with. And if you look at your LinkedIn, you'll realize if you have several thousand connections, that a few of those will be your target audience. And if you can reach out to those people directly, it doesn't cost an in-mail credit and it goes directly to their inbox without you having to connect with them first. And it's beautiful. It's a match made in heaven. So let's look at some of these messages that we can send to warm contacts. Hi, your name. Let me customize this to Jeff. My name. Alex. Let me just write the company too. Hi Jeff, I'd love to speak about a couple ways I noticed Acme can potentially 2 to 3x your traffic and conversions. Already done it a dozen times over. I'm sure I can do it for you as well. Thanks, Alex. And then he said, okay, and sent his phone number. And then that's a meeting. We called it, made it happen. This one I like too, because you can reuse this as a DM on social media, like Twitter or Instagram, or you could reuse it in a lot of different ways. The only thing I would change if I was going to use this as an email script is add the niche. So I noticed Acme can potentially 2 to 3x your traffic and conversions. Already done it a dozen times over in the real estate space. I'm sure I can do it for you as well. And that's all you really need. Just niche it down a little bit. And so here's the message. Hi, Jeff. We've been connected for a while now, but I just realized that we never actually got to speak. Would love to take you out for coffee and see what we're both up to in 2022. Thanks, Alex. Then there was a follow-up. Hi, Jeff. Hope this didn't get lost in the shuffle. Alex. Then we followed up with this. Maybe you don't use LinkedIn. If you ever see this, let me know, as I'd love to at least speak once to people I'm connected with to learn more about what you're up to. Thanks, Alex. And then Jeff got back. Hey, Alex, sorry, man, I don't really use LinkedIn. I should get better at it. I saw your message come through my Gmail and meant to get back to you. Unfortunately, life keeps getting its grasp on me. Let's get a coffee sometime next week. Not sure if you still have my number, but it's phone number. Thanks, Jeff. If you want to learn more about lead generation on LinkedIn, join a community of awesome people that are growing their businesses and meet me every single week for live calls, then go ahead and join email10k.com. That comes with access to all of our courses, including LinkedIn X. So you can go ahead and grab that at email10k.com right now. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.